Welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mr. Bitcoin Maxi. We are all Bitcoin Maxi. So today, I was out on my walk. You all know that I love soaking up the sun, taking my walk. And I was reminiscing on my childhood memory of my grandma. It's crazy because she passed away when I was 15, and I miss her. I miss her dearly. And in that memory, I was thinking, I remember she used to buy me hot Cheetos back when you can buy hot Cheetos for like $1. And you know, the crazy thing is, like, now that I thought about it, it took me down the rabbit hole on just memories and thoughts. And then, of course, it led me to Bitcoin. So then I was like, it's crazy because I don't remember the last time I seen something that you can literally buy for $1. And what's crazy too is that silver is like 42 bucks, right? So you can't buy silver with it. Say you want to invest money. Say you were like, hey, I have $1, I want to invest it into something. And so my thing is that gold is what? Like 3,600 bucks, something like that. Silver, 42 bucks. So it's like, if you want to buy those for $1, you really can't, right? So it led me to think, it's crazy because you can buy Bitcoin with $1. You can literally open a Robinhood account and buy Bitcoin for $1, which to me gets you off of zero Bitcoin, like zero Satoshis, right? And so that dollar goes farther than a lot of people think. And so by buying $1 of Bitcoin, even people that don't have any Bitcoin, it's crazy because it's like they can buy $1 worth of Bitcoin, dollar worth of Satoshis. And if they just do that, right, for like 30 days, that's 30 bucks. And then if they do that consistently for a year, that's $360. And I think, in my opinion, there's power in investing $1 with Bitcoin because first you see your money growing, even though it's not much, right? It's $1. Even people that are stacking Satoshis, stacking Bitcoin, the thing is that at least putting $1 adds up over time. So that $30 a month, even for people that have Bitcoin and maybe they're not consistently dollar cost averaging, or if they're like, hey, I only got like 20 bucks left over this month for my budget, so I can't really buy anything. It's like, that's almost 30 days worth of buying a little bit of Bitcoin. And if somebody only had $1, right, to invest every day, they can't go out and buy gold or silver, fractions of it. But that's the beauty of Bitcoin, right? You can actually buy $1 worth of Bitcoin. Like on Robinhood, you can put $1 order for Bitcoin and do that every single day. So if you load up like 30 bucks, right? And I think it's also good because not only does the average person that doesn't really have money to invest, they see the compounding growth of their money slowly, but it starts adding up. And I think a lot of people don't really think about that. And to me, it's a good thing because the power of $1 is getting somebody's feet wet to be able to stack Bitcoin slowly, but also they get used to the idea of dollar cost averaging, right? Then they get used to the idea of, okay, my money's growing. Like, I put $1 in every day, which is not really a lot, even for average middle and working class. Putting $1 in a day, they're going to get used to the idea and the muscle memory, as we called it in the military, where you consistently are doing something and it becomes a habit. But investing $1 a day into Bitcoin, there's power behind that, because it gives you confidence to say, okay, I can do this. I can invest. I can be smarter about my money. And then, in my opinion, they'll make smarter decisions. So it's not just about putting money, right, into Bitcoin and wanting it to grow. But the power of the dollar with Bitcoin is it gives you confidence to say, look, I can do this. My situation kind of sucks financially, but at least I'm not on zero Bitcoin. At least I'm buying something. And over a year, I've been able to accumulate $360 worth of Bitcoin. And so it's like around 0.003. So it's amazing, right? Because people can actually get Bitcoin for $1, and they don't have to sit here and say, well, I can't afford it. The price is too much. That's the beauty about Bitcoin, is you can buy any amount. Any amount you can convert fiat money to Bitcoin. And I really think that the power of $1 is not just about investing, but it gives you more than that. It gives you the ability to actually start being able to save money in Bitcoin and actually watch it grow, instead of like, oh, well, I only have $20 left for the month, so I'm going to leave it in the bank account, where it's literally just losing money, because ultimately fiat is printed and it's losing money. And so there's power in the dollar more than we realize. And it's crazy, because when I was thinking of my childhood memory, I was like, man, you used to be able to buy so much for $1. Whereas now, like, look at just how much that bag of hot Cheetos went. I used to eat, what's crazy too, when I was younger, I used to love those. I used to eat like 3 of them a day. I used to love those things. And what's crazy, right, is one of those back then now costs what? Like 2 something, almost $3 for one. And so it's basically doubled, if not tripled now, right? So imagine that same dollar now, but a decade, 2 decades from now, it's going to double, triple, if not more, right? That's the power of $1 with Bitcoin. So I want to come on and share my thoughts as I was on my walk down memory lane. We just hit 900 subscribers. I appreciate you all for the love and support, as always. And I'm Mr. Bitcoin Maxi. We're all Bitcoin Maxis. I'll see you all in the next video.